I know you guys are getting to be pros by now, but let's do one more example for good measure. This time, the challenge is to write a method inside the class Movie Archive. And this method should take in a year and a dictionary of movies and return an array of strings listing the movies that were released that year. To start us off, I've written the shell of our Movie Archive class and this dictionary of AI-themed movies. Here in between the parentheses defining the Movie Archive class, we'll write our function. Let's call it filterByYear. FilterByYear is going to take in a year as a parameter, which will be of type int. And it'll also take in a dictionary of movies, which will be of type dictionary, and that dictionary will hold keys of type string, the movie titles, and values of type int, the release year. It will return an array of movie titles, so here we'll type our arrow, and then the return type is an array of strings. Since we're going to return an array of strings, we'll need to initialize an array of strings to put our filtered movie titles into. And we'll go ahead and return that array so we can quiet this compiler error. The next step is to loop through the dictionary that's passed in and check each key value pair to see if the release year matches the year passed in as a parameter. To loop through the dictionary, we can use a for-in loop. We'll call the value release year. Then if the year parameter is equal to the value of release year, we add that movie title to our filtered array. Now our filterByYear method should be good to go. To call it, we'll need an instance of the Movie Archive class. So here I'll initialize a movie archive and call it myArchive. Then I can call filterByYear using dot syntax. And of course, the dictionary we want to filter is AI-themed movies. And let's see what AI-themed movies came out in 1982. And over here in the sidebar, we can see Blade Runner. And if we try 2013, we get Her. That ought to give you a good start on functions. Be sure to complete the exercises for more practice defining and calling functions. As always, you can find a link to them in the instructor's notes. Next up, we'll talk about classes and their properties and methods.